Last time I work for maintenance hotel.
Yes, sir.
This is area. I don't need experience working.
Do we have a fuse?
It's 3 days. 1 hour maybe working, later no work, later working, no work. Mały, odejdź. Mały.
I think it's white and orange, but I'm not sure.
All good?
No, I can't see it. I can't see the label to tell me which wires to use. So I gotta pull it out and look at it. Black is common. So black and orange.
Don't go. Hey. Go. Mały.
Oh. I'm going to fuse that. Alright. Excuse me. 240. $28. I'm gonna jump to each one of these here, and they're using orange for my blue. First, I'm gonna jump to green. Blower comes on. Let's jump to yellow. Alright, that works. Alright, let's do our reversing valve. Nothing yet. All right, now let's do our heat strips. No fuse protection here. Nothing.
What you know?
I got nothing. All right, let's check over here. Nothing. All right. Something's not allowing 24 volts to get to that. But right now I'm worried about what blew my transformer. I have jumped to everything. The only thing is I have not tested defrost. Inside, the thermostat was blank, 240 volts, 28 volts. So let's check for voltage on the wall. I don't know if you can see that. That's 28 volts. Looks like we need a new thermostat. Another wonderful dog. Alright, blue is coming, and they're using orange for my reversing valve. To check defrost. Getting any continuity beep out of this thing. All right, there goes my defrost. All right, so it should go through defrost on its own. All right, honestly, that should have come out of defrost by now. So I'm gonna test it. All right, defrost is working. I'm just gonna go to the thermostat, turn this off, and I'm gonna get these heat strips to go. I'm gonna end up going with opens at 140, closes at 160. Okay, I got taking a better look at this. That open and close are backwards. This is not a limit, this is a fan control. So back to the drawing board. Put that on 150. 26 volts. You gotta be shitting me. Brand new limit. I'm testing open lead. 0 ohms. Open lead. Those dang adjustable limits. That right there, what y'all just saw, is the main reason I do not like those. This is a thermostat. It's not a limit. How many of those have I bought? Nope. Here's the manual reset. Snap disk limit control open 180. Alright, that's what we're fixing to use. All right. $26 volts. Hallelujah. Well, while replacing that one sequencer, the other one broke apart, so we are replacing them both with a 4-pole here. I don't need all these poles, but this is part for the job. Let me see, this is M1 and 2 need to be this blower. Those wires right there. And these are my secondary.
I'm crazy. I yesterday changed my lock. A keys is inside home.
Alright, that felt a little loose. Yeah, I'm ready to be done with this job. Alright. M1 and 2. Oh. That's it. Let's try all this again. Please don't tell me that breaker fails. Nope. All right, we got 20 amps. Any minute now we should have 40. That one there is going to be the last one to close out of all four of those: first, second, third, fourth. And that could be up to 90 seconds. All right, so I never exactly figured out what blew my transformer. All right, there we go, 41 amps. My smoke detector might go off again, but we can now put this one together. Yep, there goes my smoke detector. Right, after all that, all this stuff spilled out. I had it all organized and now it's a mess. And then after I closed and locked the doors, this tenant left, I heard a pop in here. So this is the call that just keeps on giving. As is, I do not have ability to kill power if we didn't trip a breaker. Something popped in here. I'm not sure what. Yeah, it has tripped a breaker inside, and that is going to be a big breaker. That right there, actually, that looks new. That goes under the house. Let me see, so that's a 120 volt going under the house. I did see a condensate tube coming outside, so they must have a dehumidifier down there. Hold on. Yep, I see it right there. All right. Can y'all see? I know there ain't no power in here, but I just want to be sure. I'll show y'all what I found. That is what just tripped a breaker inside. See if I can pull any. And that's going to be for... Oh, good, you're back.
Yeah.
All right, I need to get inside. All right, I got this. This one's ready to go. pressures are good, heat strips work. I have apparently that. You're all done. That call was a pain in the rear, but that's good money. Today's Black Friday. I'm going to do some tool shopping. Hope you find something good. Thanks for watching, guys.